Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to check Instagram followers that follow you back or not follow you back on Instagram. Open your Instagram and click on your profile. Now click on following. I follow these accounts. If I click on this account and tap on message, you can see here is written you follow each other on Instagram. Okay, this one is the account that follows me back. We follow each other, but if you want to see the ones who don't follow me, only I follow the account. I give you an example. If I check this one, okay, click on message, you can see you there is no written that you follow each other. This is also written that you have followed this Instagram account since I follow this account and you both follow this is the common follower of both of us. Okay, this is the account which is not follow my account. Okay guys, thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.